Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Pi Network has been one of the most talked about projects of 2025, and in this video I'll share all the red flags I have found about this project, and then if you still want to join, I will also show you how you can maximize your rewards. So Pi Network is a crypto project that claims to allow users to mine Pi coins using a mobile app. Unlike traditional mining, no real computational work is done. Users just tap a button daily to keep earning. The project launched in 2019 and grew quickly by promising an easy way to earn crypto. To start mining Pi, you will need to download their application, and once installed, you will need to open the application and tap the mining button once a day. Your earnings will depend on several factors, which I will explain later. Before discussing the red flags associated with Pi Network, it's important to note that I'm just sharing objective information. The following points are based on verified facts and reputable sources. I am trying to have a neutral perspective. This presentation neither endorses nor criticizes Pi Network, but aims to inform based on available data. I already expect to get some hate comments just by sharing the red flags, because it seems like the Pi network is some sort of cult sometimes. Red flag number 1, delayed token unlocks. Many users have been experiencing delays in unlocking their Pi tokens, leading to uncertainty within the community. Despite completing necessary steps, tokens remain inaccessible. In my last monthly earnings video, I mentioned that some users from my Discord are still not able to sell Pi tokens, even though they have completed KYC a long time ago, but I still got some comments saying that I was just spreading FUD. That's not true at all. I've been searching online and it seems like a lot of users are still not able to sell anything. That's not the case for me, because I've been able to sell with more than one account. So there is no reason to waste time telling me in the comments that you were able to sell $1,000 or $2,000 worth of Pi. I don't care. I'm just speaking for my community. There are people that consider this project centralized because the core team holds a substantial portion of the total Pi coin supply. 82% of the total token supply is held by the team. But according to the Pi Network white paper, over the next few years this will change. Another big red flag is that Pi Network took 6 years to finally list the token, leaving users waiting without knowing if their holdings would ever have any value, and even now many users, like I said, still can't access their tokens. If you are still interested, I will show you how to get started with the Pi Network application, and then I will show you the formula to maximize your earnings. I will leave the link in the description. I also have my code there, MeisterKenobi, to get you 25% bonus. To get started, you will need to download the application, and then you will need to create an account with Facebook or using your phone number. Then you will need to enter your email, and always remember to enter valid details, because if you lose access to your mobile number or to your Facebook account or email, you will lose access to Pi Network. You will also need to enter your personal information that will later be used for KYC verification. You can join with a referral code. You can use mine or a code of a friend, and you will get 25% bonus on your mining rate. And that's it. You'll be able to start earning by pressing the button with a lightning bolt. Your earnings can be calculated using this formula you see on the top of the display right now. M is your mining rate, B is the system-wide base mining rate, S is your security circle reward, L is your lockup reward, N is your node reward, E is for referral team rewards, A is your utility reward, and X is a metric which will be used in the future. B is a system-wide base mining rate. This amount will reduce with the amount of users that join the Pi network, so more users means less Pi for everyone. Currently the rate is 0.0029 Pi per hour. The system-wide base mining rate, like the name says, is the same for everyone. Then we have the security circle reward and the lockup reward. For every person you add to your security circle, you will get a bonus of 20%. But this bonus will only go to 100%. So if you add more than 5 people, there is no benefit. And make sure that the people you add to your security circle complete KYC. You should only add people you know and trust to your security circle, because that means that they are more likely to complete KYC. You can see I have 4 people in my security circle, so I'm getting a bonus of 80%. Now, the lockup bonus will be based on 3 values. The first one is the lockup time. You can choose to lock up 25%, 50, 90 or 100% of your tokens. You can also choose the duration of the lockup. You can choose 2 weeks, 6 months, 1 year or 3 years. And then there is another factor, that is the number of mining sessions you have completed. So if you have been using the Pi application for a long time, just like me, you will have a lot of mining sessions completed and you will get a higher boost. Now let's see the rest of the formula. Like I said, N is for node rewards, E is for referrals, and A is the utility reward. I will explain what all of this means. If you want to get the node bonus, you will need to set up a Pi node on your computer. You can see here I have a node computer running the Pi node, and right now that's giving me a small boost to my earnings. The boost you get by running the node depends on 3 factors: uptime, port open and CPU. If you want me to make a guide about the Pi node, let me know in the comments down below. E is the referral bonus. For most people this is the biggest bonus, especially for those clickbait YouTubers. You will get a bonus of 25% for each user you invite, but you will only get this boost of 25% if the people you invite are actually mining. And also, if the people you invite don't complete KYC, you will not get any bonus, so there is no reason to use bot accounts. You can see I have a utility usage bonus of 0.10. You get this bonus by interacting with the Pi network and by using the Pi browser. And like I said before, X for now doesn't do anything. The value is 0 for everyone. On the left of the display you can see my mining rate. Currently I'm mining at 0.0389 Pi per hour. That's around 0.93 Pi per day or close to 29 Pi per month. Currently Pi is valued at $1.13. It's down by 30% over the last 7 days, and that is equivalent to $1 per day or $32 per month. The value of the Pi token is going down. That makes sense because most people are now unlocking their tokens and they are starting to sell. And also remember that after the mainnet, the tokens we are mining are still not available. We still need to wait to see when we will get them. In my opinion, this is the most confusing crypto project I have ever seen. Even after reading the white paper, I still can't understand a lot of stuff, and I'm not alone. I know that most users also have a lot of questions. So if you need help, you can join our free Discord or Telegram and leave the questions there, or you can also just leave a comment and I will try to help you. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about Pi network. For today that was the video. Thank you a lot for watching and see you next time.